The Neuro Questionnaire and System on Renovation Acceptation React. The target global market for smart homes and offices was valued at $33.53 billion in 2020 and is expected to reach $67.69 billion by 2026. The Global Smart Homes and Offices Market Report from 2021 to 2026 presents key companies operating in the smart homes and office market globally, such as Siemens, Johnson Controls, Cisco Systems, Google, Philips Lighting, Schneider Electric, and others. Next, we briefly describe existing solutions. By protecting health, optimizing room conditions, and maximizing comfort, Siemens Smart Building, for instance, improves occupant productivity and reduces carbon footprint. Johnson Controls uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, and cloud technologies to enhance comfort, safety, and employee performance and job satisfaction. Cisco enables highly customizable and adept workspaces to improve safety, comfort, productivity, business outcomes, and energy performance to reduce their carbon footprint.
The sequence of the React's practical application is as follows. Firstly, maintenance of building or mobile workplace, smart spaces at specific geographic locations are performed. Secondly, real-time collecting data on temperature, humidity, air pollution, vibration, lighting, intensity, and colors, sense numbers of users and other features pertinent to the smart spaces by employing a set of devices are carried out. Next, the collection of effect data pertinent to the emotional, affective, and physiological states of users, along with their levels of valence, arousal, happiness, and interest, occurs by employing the set of user effect remote sensors. During the 6th and 7th stages, transferring the accumulated data via 5G or some other internet networks to the digital twin decision-making system and saving the collecting data in a local or cloud smart database in accomplish. The decision support system consists of the smart database and its management system, along with the digital twin model base with management system and user interface. In the 8th stage, selecting a desired type of services by the user is performed. After this, beginning a multiple criteria analysis by the decision support system. Performing a multiple criteria analysis on the quality parameters of a building, smart spaces, considering the effect data of the users with these facilities by applying neuro decision making and neuro correlation tables, establishing the most effective alternatives from the obtained quality parameters pertinent to the potential smart spaces of a building. As example, performance of a regression analysis permits compiling linear regression models on interest and non-boredom. Compiling neuro decision making and neurocorrelation tables based on the performance multiple criteria analysis in the available data are accomplished during the 10th and 12th stages. Neurocorrelation tables are developed based on a self-learning regression model equations. Emotional and affective states management algorithms will describe the operation of this equation. In the 13th stage, saving the results of the customization of the quality pertinent to the smart spaces in decision support system, smart databases is carried out. Next, transferring the personalization of values such as temperature, humidity, air pollution, vibration, lighting, intensity, and colors sense into a renovated building smart spaces are performed. Finally, configuring, modifying, and maintaining quality of renovating building smart spaces by their new personalized parameters is executed.
The Neuro Questionnaire and System on Renovation Acceptation analyzes users in an integrated manner, looking at their emotional states, happy, sad, angry, frightened, disgusted, and the like, affective states, bored, interested, confused, and the like, and physiological states, along with their valence and arousal, which are React data. Additionally, it establishes the levels of work productivity, learning effectiveness, and whether the users are interested and not bored. Plus, it takes into account the season, the day of the week, and circadian rhythm. Thus, React is an aid for establishing user states much more accurately. React involves the use of neuro-decision-making and neuro-correlation tables to compile all the possible alternatives pertinent to qualitative customized building smart spaces. The aspects of customized quality include level of lighting intensity and colors, scents, media, information, knowledge, data, activities, learning materials, games, music, videos, temperature, humidity, air pollution, brainwaves, vibrations, and the like. React assists in retaining the desirable parameters to the customized quality of the building smart spaces much more accurately. React also applies, comprehensively, multiple criteria analysis methods such as INVA, biometric technologies, and intelligent technologies for establishing various values, such as user-perceived, hedonic, and utilitarian, of a building's smart spaces. This way, the value pertinent to smart spaces established with the assistance of React proves to be far more accurate for users. The 6 images you'll now see illustrate 4 features offered by the system from multiple others available. In the top left corner of each image, you see a chart of the user's pressure and performance levels based on the Yerkes-Dodson law. In the top right corner, you see the frequency bands generated by the vibroacoustic therapy system, VTS 1000, Zen Evolution or other, and the intensity of lighting in the smart space. The bottom left corner shows either a chart of the effect indoor climate, temperature and relative humidity makes on the person's comfort level, or the way the relative employee performance is linked to the ventilation rate. The React system 1. Maintains best quality for a personalized indoor environment, boosting work productivity or learning effectiveness, interestingness, and non-boredom. 2. Tackles climate change mainly by managing energy efficiency of smart spaces. 3. Establishes and maintains needed user emotional and affective states with React. 4. Integrates React with BIM to enlarge BIM's application to the field. The prototype of React has been developed and laboratory tested, which included building the system architecture, choosing hardware, and validating system functionality. The React includes 2 European patents, EP 211519959.0, a method for controlling customized microclimate in a building and the realization system thereof, and EP 2117069, a customized quality control method pertinent to smart spaces of digital twin buildings and its implementation system, filed by Professor Kaklauskas and others, as well as over 50 Web of Science articles published by Professor Kaklauskas in Q1, Q2 journals. Currently, there are several known technological solutions in the field of customized quality control of smart spaces pertinent to buildings. They encompass the technical solution for establishing physiological parameters and determining the equipment that describes the parameters of human emotions. They, however, do not directly include the proposed method for customized quality control in building smart spaces, nor the equipment designated for its implementation. The features that make React presented here exceptional and innovative are the following. React has the capacity to analyze, in an integrated manner, the emotional states, happy, sad, angry, frightened, disgusted, and the like, affective states, bored, interested, confused, and the like, and physiological states of users, their valence and levels of arousal, work productivity or learning effectiveness, interest, and non-boredom. This analysis also considers the season, the day of the week, and circadian rhythm. Thus, React helps to determine the state of a user much more accurately. React compiles neuro-decision-making and neurocorrelation tables that exhibit the alternatives pertinent to the qualities of customized smart spaces of buildings. Then, all the possible qualitative alternatives for building smart spaces undergo analysis. This is the reason our React presented here helps to uphold the customized quality of building smart spaces much better. React serves to establish the various values such as user-perceived, hedonic, utilitarian of building smart spaces by applying a set of biometric and intelligent technologies.